courtroom. You got 60 seconds.
We know. We're trying to help him out, dude. It's all right. We'll be back up there in just a few minutes. Give me 2 minutes. I got someone on it.
Okay.
857. 8 kilo 57. Are you available? That gentleman just called in again. He's up at the front entrance in cuffs at this very moment. Yeah, go see what's going on.
All right.
Dude on the phone was screaming. If he has any, if his buddy's up there and he starts screaming at you, bro, just detain his ass. Honestly, bring them both down here. All right, so
I'm gonna come back you up 8 kilo 57.
Okay, yes, Passe, we are back. Little technical difficulties there. Hopefully the game comes back through. But either way, we definitely just need to have this for, recording purposes. Let me know when we're ready to begin.
You're on what case are we arguing right now? I'm sorry.
The one we were on, we're at the evidentiary hearing for Jokic versus APD. Troublefield representing the plaintiff was bringing forward the complaint against the APD, Atlanta Police Department, with Attorney General J.B. Monroe representing the Atlanta Police Department for the state.
Oh God, is my head about to pop next?
Okay. Are you ready to present your evidence, Troublefield?
No, not yet. I'm still getting my shit together. My bad.
Okay.
Your Honor, while I get my shit together, can you read out the lawsuit for Johnson versus State?
No, that's your job to tell us that.
Child, you
Why
read
is
better
it?
than me.
I
I'm
am
hooked
the
on
judge.
phonics.
I am the judge.
You are the judge, but you read so well.
I did that before, and I'm not doing it again.
I think we live for your reads.
Mm-mm. Don't flatter me into doing this.
Oh. So you're not gonna read for me?
Wow. Let me remind the courtroom that we are looking for employees and help around here. If you are interested in a career with the Department of Justice, please go to the DOJ emails, open a ticket, let us know you're interested. We do have competitive salaries, company car, maybe. But
And I pay more than DOJ do. So hit me first. Hit me first. I pay more than DOJ.
We're looking into creating a rock solid team. We do have some amazing folks that work here with us. And besides providing justice for our citizens, we also get to be on the front lines of creating the laws that govern our city. So if you're interested in that, please apply.
How much y'all pay?
A lot.
I want to know.
No. Hit me up. Hit me up. Hit me up. I got you. Hit me up.
Troublefield, can you please focus on Jokic versus APD? Because we're waiting for you to get started.
Ooh, excuse me.
Get back up again.
He fall down.
Troublefield, we will have
You
to
said
begin.
you was gonna do that MDT. You got
If
it.
You got the wrist straps
if
Let
though.
me
you
know
can
when you get a
please
case number for it, cause I gotta write that down.
at least start us off with reminding the court as to why your client is bringing
I'm gonna
forth civil suit
send them to you.
against
Mm-hmm.
the Atlanta Police Department.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Can you tell us why your client is bringing suit against APD?
Give me 2.5. I'm sorry. One second.
Hey, nah, hey.
Perhaps
That
if
nigga finna eat up the whole
plaintiff counsel wasn't so busy
bro, 'cause I don't
insulting
know
the
the site
gender
line.
of my
That's why I feel
client,
like
that he perhaps would have been ready in a timely
Cause
fashion.
I was like, oh fuck.
Oh,
Shade.
not your client need to go on Amazon and get some Vagisil, but I digress. Your Honor, and this humble court, we are suing for $15 million. So my client wants 10 mil, and I want 5 mil for my troubles. My name is Troublefield. I need to be paid for my troubles. APD got my client fucked up. They violated. Hold on. Shall I list the ways they violated his constitutional rights? Give me 1 second. So, on about March 24th, 2025, Mr. Johnson was in a low income neighborhood. He was on the west side. Hey, west side is the best side. He was checking up on his peeps. Needless to say, shots rang out. Shit happened. Before he could even say good evening, a random gunman showed up and started firing. AED, specifically Lucas, bitch ass, showed up and arrested my client. Now, Georgia is a stand your ground state. My client acknowledges that, hey, I understand that. But with the current climate of the police in this city, we don't trust them niggas. They not like us. So instead of conducting like a reasonable investigation, whatever their protocol is, because I still ain't seen it, these motherfuckers we just gonna call them jump out boys. So yeah, they arrested my client, held him for over 2 hours. Let me mind you, if a client gets sent to jail for 2 hours, that's months. Months.
Stella, you got that door over there for
But
me, please?
Yeah, I'm
Not
grabbing it.
that one.
I digress.
Side.
So yeah, yeah, we suing. And I'm finna do my big one, sis.
Hold on, I never
Yeah, I don't want to
lock
water.
him up.
Okay,
What
what
you
are the
talking about?
grounds for the suit and the evidence that you will present at trial?
Cruel and unusual punishment.
Okay.
This motherfucker arrested my client, put him in the jail cell, took items off of him, and said, "Yeah, this
JB,
my shit, nigga."
unlocked up Johnson.
Okay, do you have footage of him saying this to your
Johnson,
client?
no, get out of here, Johnson.
And
Okay,
do.
can we see
You
the
locked them
footage?
up or you did not lock
Mm,
them up?
I did
mm.
not lock up.
Clutch your pearls.
Joe Key
Here I
Johnson, I
come.
didn't lock him up.
The
The
pearls will
officer's
be
dead. I keep
clutched.
saying that to you.
Everyone, if y'all can please file
Oh, the
into
officer
the
is not with us?
Yes, the officer's dead.
courtroom
I
so
keep
that
saying
we
that.
can
Like he
watch
said,
the
we're not
evidence
doing this.
together.
Joe Key Johnson.
And it's the only way we're doing
In
it is if the
Troublefield,
White
if you
House
can share
said
the
to
link, I'll
continue.
play it for the live
Talking
courtroom
about Joe Key Johnson.
and the real
All right,
jury.
so give me like 1 minute.
Huh?
My bad.
Okay.
I'll try to get this dismissed.
No. Are you talking about Joe Key Johnson?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never locked him up. Trophy, what the fuck Trophy talking about?
Okay.
Nigga, I'm talking about my fucking case. Fuck you mean?
As a
Purge you.
higher. Okay.
You just lied on my name. The fuck are you talking about?
I'm talking about this case. That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
Don't address him. Don't address him. Don't address him. Don't address him. This
What
is
the fuck?
don't address him. This is the plaintiff phase. Let's trust me.
Okay, he's lying on my goddamn name. What the fuck?
Amazon got Vagisil. Buy one, get one free.
Lord Jesus. Troublefield, can
Damn,
you
Trophy,
please
someone
stop
hates you.
insulting
Please
the
admire.
APD
Thank you.
Colonel Captain? Are
Yeah,
you
he's
Captain now?
harassing me. No, I'm commander, but he harassing me
Commander.
though.
That's even worse. Can you please stop
Trophil,
insulting the commander?
keep harassing me, man. You know better, bro. Stop harassing me, bro.
If you need Vagisil, just say it.
Hey, keep on harassing me, man. We're gonna see them
You
customers.
call it harassment, I call it defending my client.
Yeah,
Keep it
I
cute or
call
go
it
back on
harassment.
mute.
Quit
Go
addressing
ahead,
him.
keep
Quit
harassing
addressing
me,
him.
boy.
Quit addressing him. Quit addressing him. And again, Your Honor, my client's gender nor his genitalia is on trial here. The department is. So if we could kindly get to the facts before we turn 50.
Sustained. Troublefield, are we ready to go?
No, because clearly he need his Vagisil before we continue. So give me another 2.5.
All right, Boogie,
All
look
right,
now.
man.
Right.
I put him in cuffs. It's
Yeah,
gonna be
Your
mad,
Honor,
but
as
harassing
the
me.
defendants in this case, our
dead.
rights
gonna
to a
be
fair and
mad.
speedy trial are
I'm
currently
done
being
tonight.
violated. And now that the
another
defense is
time.
here, I move for a dismissal of this case if he cannot present evidence within your time allowed. You have given him 2 minutes about 18 times. We understand that it has popped, and now that he's back, we have waited an additional 17 minutes for this evidence. For someone who talks about time as money, he sure is wasting a lot of ours.
Oh,
Yeah, like that.
This is all
that.
that preaching.
I got paid. Clearly you didn't, but keep it cute.
Shade. Troublefield,
Oh, so we don't
are
need
we
to talk
ready
about that
to
20,000
proceed?
I gave.
Yes, Your Honor, it should be up. Hold on.
I think I got them numbers right, hopefully. Who, me, drink? Okay. Yeah.
Hey, we can hear you.
Is T. Milano still in the city? Lucas?
I almost forgot what we're
So
doing
what?
in here. What's going
Is
on,
Milano still in
Troublefield?
the city?
All right.
No. Go.
Does he have another character that's a cop?
Oh, what's going on? Sorry.
Your Honor, keep it cute.
That's what we got right now.
As always.
Okay.
I got you. I know how to proceed.
Ready to proceed.
Indeed. All right.
Do you see the link?
But
All
you
right,
will
everybody,
say it, girl.
please turn your attention to the link in the
Yeah. I'll
in
have
the
that.
chat portion.
Of course, yeah.
It is a home video entitled Trauma Saturday, almost 2 hours and 30 minutes. I hate cops now. We're going to go ahead and play that for everyone. Let's just go ahead and get it big up on the screen here. Just want to make sure it plays for us here. Okay, let's see. Let's go back here.
Actually, Your Honor, I'm sorry. Give me 2.5. I uploaded the wrong one. I hope y'all got time. Cause I do. It's actually like 3 different videos. That was the last one.
Repeat
Your Honor,
that transmission.
The defense moves for a mistrial. The plaintiffs have had plenty of time to gather this evidence within the litigation portal under your
All available units, please respond.
under your mediation to prevent unworthy eyes from seeing it. So this evidence could have been gathered. This trial has been on the books for
What's going on?
about 5 days.
Yeah.
And now we are nearly 30 minutes from storm, waiting on evidence that should have been ready, Your Honor. This is a disrespect to the time of my clients and the time of the court.
JB, shut up. Your Honor, the first video is ready.
Hey, relax on that, bro.
Wow. Now, you will not disrespect the AG. She is very much correct. There's no reason for us to spend this much time on anything. If this is not the right video,
The first video is ready, Your Honor.
And don't cut me off.
And will every time. Keep
Now,
it cute.
which one are we looking
Keep
at?
it cute. It's the same video. Whichever one worked for you.
Your Honor, these evidences are expired.
All right, this case is done.
10-4, that is it.
That's it. This says expired link. This clip is expired or no longer exists. Troublefield. Case is dismissed.
Oh no. Because last night when these motherfuckers wanted to say we need more time, you didn't grant a continuance. You don't piss me off.
There's no
Don't piss me off.
here.
Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. You didn't dismiss the case last night.
This is not the case last night. This is today.
Right. We talking about today. Don't piss me off.
APD Lucas. This case is dismissed with prejudice.
No, it's not.
Goodbye.
Lucas, you a bitch.
Hey, I always say that's your bitch about me, my boy.
Oh.
Not you clapping.
Yeah, and will every time.
Man, fuck y'all. Fuck all y'all.
Hey, man.
Okay. Dismissed with prejudice. All right, let's move on.
Well, we could have been through all 3 evidentiary hearings by now.
The next case we have is State versus Osama. That is the DA for the state and Troublefield for the defense. I do believe your client is here. Mr. Osama, if you could please step forward.
Ooh, excuse me.
Mr. Osama, if you're still here, please step forward.
Defense people, we gotta be over here.
Mr. Osama?
He's the one with the afro from last night.
Is he?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what?
Where the
He was
continuance was
trying to
granted.
speak with Troublefield, and Troublefield didn't say anything. He left.
Interesting. DA, how would you like to handle this case on Osama? Would you like to give it a default judgment? And
He was here.
Yeah, but he left. He knew tonight was his night. All right, let's see what else we got on the docket for today, and we'll come back. We have the appeal for K. Dot. This is also being presented by Troublefield. Troublefield,
are you there?
Are you ready to bring forward your appeal for
I'm over
K.
this shit. I'm over this shit.
Wait a minute. What are you doing? Oh my God.
Appeal denied.
Wait a. Oh my goodness.
Okay, this appeal is dismissed.
This appeal is
April
dismissed.
Fools! April Fools! I'm back!
Troublefield, you gotta stop doing that. You got people's lives in your hands. Come on.
That was yesterday.
Let's get it together. That's enough.
Time up.
All right, and The next thing we have is Osama here at all?
No, I don't think he
Troublefield,
I
here.
believe he
you have
is.
any connection with Osama? Are you able to call him?
Uh, can we get a continuance on that one?
We have a packed week. I can't give another continuance for this. We put him in the schedule because of what happened yesterday to allow for him to speak for himself and do all the things that he wanted to do.
So,
Your
Your Honor,
Honor,
I do understand.
Are you able
we
to
would like
call
to
him?
motion for a trial in absentia.
The young man was very adamant about being present and being a part of his process, and I
His
don't want
own
to take
process.
that from him,
Which
even
is
as rude as
asked
he
for the
was.
continuance.
This is the continuance. That case should have been wrapped up yesterday.
Oh, keep it cute.
So the continuance has been granted. We are all here. Now, Blanco said that he was here trying to talk to you. You ain't say nothing to the man.
Yeah, I might have been in my head. I'm sorry. Shit. Don't hold that against me.
Your Honor, the state would like to motion for a trial in absentia.
Is that motion in writing? Then keep it mute.
It can be made in
Because you
writing, Your
can't keep
Honor,
it
if
cute.
need be.
Tell me more about this trial in absentia. What are you proposing?
A trial
Now,
in
I know what it is,
absentia.
but I'm asking,
We're
what do you propose when this client really wants to be a part of his justice process?
If he
Because now
truly
she's going to
wanted
violate
to
his
be a
constitutional
part,
rights. But keep it
if
cute.
he wanted to be a part of this process, Your Honor, he would be here. We're here because he asked
If he's
us
not
to be.
available, he's not available.
And Your Honor, I would like for you to give my apologies for my wording. I would kindly request that you admonish the defense counsel to refrain from interrupting me while I am making a formal request.
Is that request in writing?
And Your Honor,
Troublefield, can
a
you
trial in
please allow for
absentia.
her, stop interrupting her, or I will have to hold you in contempt. You know how this works.
Hold me in contempt. Fuck you and fuck the AG. Fuck both of y'all. I don't give a fuck. Fuck both of y'all. What you gonna do? Take another million from me today?
As a matter of
Trial in
fact,
absentia
yes.
would be
Okay, we'll keep it cute
advantageous
then.
to the courts and the justice system because, again, we are here because he asked us to be. He was here and now he is not. Everyone in this city by now, as we have now officially been doing this for 2 springs, knows that this is a lengthy process. In order to give citizens their fair and just day in court and to give them the time that they deserve, time is needed. He knew he was due at court today, so he could have attempted to speak to Trouble, who was daydreaming. He could have also attempted to speak to the other partner in the firm to request a continuance way before now, but instead he left without notifying anyone, and here we stand, not litigating nor judiating. We're just standing here on his behest.
Point taken. Sustained. Granted. Do what
For
needs to be
that,
done.
no. Hold the fuck up.
Do what needs to be done to let this
No,
happen.
hold the
Let's
fuck
move
up.
forward.
Do I get a rebuttal?
No, sir, you do not. It is her. It is her.
You know what? Fuck you. Fuck you.
Indeed.
Consider yourself fucked.
I am constantly. And stop pointing at me before I punch you in your face.
Mm-hmm. And you claim
Okay.
yourself to be a virgin.
So I am a virgin. Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
DA, please let's move to the next step in this. We're moving this to trial. Trial is set for, let's see, Monroe, what date do you have on your calendar? I know we're booked solid for the week. We can go to trial.
no.
Let's see.
Did he not eat?
Looks like Monday.
I think we're booked. I think we can do this on the 8th. I'm
Trooper,
scheduling this trial for the 8th.
Your colonel just fainted.
Your Honor, the 8th don't work for me. That's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Troublefield.
Aries season.
All right. So we'll do it on the 7th.
Oh, that's my
Oh, baby,
pre-birthday.
what
But
is
okay.
this? What
Okay.
is this defendant's name? Do I already have him on your calendar?
Yeah, it's Osama.
Okay.
Okay. So we
And this was
let it be
supposed
written,
to be
so
the
let it be
evidentiary
done.
hearing, right?
There is the evidentiary hearing for Osama has been concluded. There's been no evidence entered by the defense.
Wait, we have we do have
And the
evidence.
state
Oh,
does have its evidence. Please make sure
I
that
I have my evidence. You just want to be on your period and not let me present it. But go off,
moving
sis.
on
Do
to
your
the
big one.
next one.
Do your big one,
What you
sis. Do your
presented,
big one. Your big one is done, sis.
what was presented is not presentable.
Oh, keep it cute.
Is there anyone else here for an arraignment that did not check in at the time that they were supposed to check in at 10 p.m.? Anyone else here for an arraignment?
Yeah, I'm going outside. Fuck y'all.
Me. Rico
Okay,
Montana. Trying to get this shit over with.
please. Mr.
Got me out of
Montana,
bed.
please
I
come
ain't
to the
even
middle
make no
booth.
fucking money today. Fuck all this shit. Fuck you. Fuck the judge. Fuck everybody.
Oh my goodness.
All right, sir. If you can please state your full name for the record.
Get your money back, nigga.
Rico Montana.
Rico Montana. All right, got you right here, Mr. Montana. All right. Do you have representation, Mr. Montana?
I did. He walked out, but I just represent myself, man. I'm just trying to get this shit over with. At this point, I'm over it. I
As
don't
we
know what
are.
y'all got going on.
I understand your frustration. Please believe we are just as frustrated as you are. All right, Mr. Montana. DA, can you please read us the charges that Mr. Montana is facing?
I don't see him in the.
He is
Case
number
dismissed.
341. He came in late.
I didn't come in late. Y'all came and got me late. I've been there for 24 hours, just standing there looking stupid.
Interesting. Well, when I say he came in late, you got to understand we're not that body. So there's 3 different departments here converging as one. We're the Department of Justice.
You said
So when
318.
we say you came in here late, you actually did. Now, whether they
341.
picked you up
No,
late,
341.
totally justifiable. But you got to understand from our point. But we've been
Yes,
dealing
ma'am.
with a lot of
Yes, ma'am.
frustrating things today. So
Say again.
341.
I feel you, brother. I feel you. You will not be penalized for that. We understand, and you have the entire department, Justice Department, Police Department's apologies for the late pickup.
I appreciate it.
Mm,
Thank you.
DA, his
3
incident
minutes
Yes,
number
sir.
late too.
is 341.
Yep, I got him.
Okay.
There's an APD arrest. We're looking at felony criminal possession of a firearm class 2 counts. Resisting arrest, misdemeanor. Misdemeanor possession of a controlled substance, and felony drug trafficking kingpin. He's facing the nines and $1.5 million in fines.
Jesus.
Wait a minute. You don't.
What did he
All that
have
sounds
on him?
ridiculous.
He has one Glock 48, one TiVo G22, 195.56 rounds, which is assault rifle rounds, 215 9mm bullets, 733 tranquilizer shots, and 6,399 bags of angel dust.
Holy shit. 6,399 bags of angel dust was on his person by himself?
7 pounds, Your Honor. Yes. Kingpin.
Sir, are you sure you don't want representation?
I got him.
Okay, thank you, Blanca. I'm going to give you 60 seconds to confer with him so that y'all can talk about his options. Because right now he's facing the nines.
Okay. You gonna whisper for me, please?
What do I need to
Okay.
hit?
You got on. You got it on whisper.
No. What do I need to flex?
Flex your F11.
All right.
Your percentage is it down?
Say it again.
Is your percentage down to 33?
What's that? Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, you're looking at the 9. Clearly, what you're gonna plead with gift. We're gonna try to do a good impact statement that time. I'm not sure how to gonna go for
This is
you.
my first charge. I
It's
got
your first
businesses out
charge.
here. Look, I got businesses. I'm a ammo plug, so I got license for the ammo. All that shit legal ammo.
Okay,
I own
so
the ammo.
okay, we don't need to
Uh,
tell them about all of that. But you do need to tell them that you're owner of
I
your
own a
family
mechanic
van.
shop.
Okay, and you have a life out here and trying to get
My wife is in
gotcha.
there, and I got the bread to pay for everything. So whatever they want, just get me out of here, man.
Okay. Just be sincere. Don't bullshit her.
Just get me out
Don't.
of here. I give you an M. How about that? Just get me out of here. No
All
jail
right.
time. I give you an M.
We'll see what we can do. All right. Bye.
Excuse me. Sorry. I'm not eavesdropping, I promise. Ooh.
Okay, Your Honor, we're all set.
All right. How does your client plead?
Your Honor, first I'd like to point out that this is his first offense, but he would like to plead guilty.
Okay. All right, young man. Would your client like to throw himself at the mercy of the court?
Yes, Your Honor. He's taking responsibility.
Young man, this is the part where we hear your testimony. You tell us your impact statement, not necessarily about the crime, but we're really interested to know you're facing kingpin charges. You have over 6,000 angel dust. How, why, and what the hell?
Your Honor, honestly, I had to do what I had to do. All right. I am a man. I'm taking up for that part. Yes, I do have the angel dust on me. Yes, I come from a rough neighborhood. Yes, I had to do it. That's what I do. But I'm here to say, like I'm just at this point I'm just over it. I can't even lie to you, Your Honor. I don't have anything to say, you know.
Your Honor, he
I'm
does
a
want to
I'm a
change his
hardworking
lifestyle.
man. I do want to change my life. I own businesses out here in the community, but I gotta feed my family.
What businesses do you own, sir?
I own the mechanic shop. I work at Waffle House on the side and more things of that nature.
Hmm. Name of your mechanic shop?
Say it again, Miss Lady.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that? What's the name of your mechanic shop?
DreamWorks.
DreamWorks. I do see a lot of advertisement for DreamWorks in uh in the sky. You guys do your thing.
I
Very
appreciate
impressed.
it.
Very
I
impressed. And
appreciate
you're
it.
the
Thank you.
owner of
Thank you.
that?
Yes, ma'am.
Interesting.
I have a
Um,
wife out here, she's right there. Very beautiful young lady.
hmm.
She helps me with DreamWorks, so I can't take all the credit.
Can we ask her to, what's her name?
Elise Montana. Kelsey Montana, I'm sorry.
Kelsey, can you please approach? Bear with me here, DA. Bear with me. You know how we like to sometimes get a clearer picture of the folks of our citizens and the lives that they're living. Um, Kelsey, so you guys have DreamWorks, is
Excuse me.
correct?
Yes, Shauna.
Are you the owner and he's the co-owner, or you're the co-owner, he's the owner?
I'm the co-owner. He's the owner of the business.
Okay. Like I said, I've seen your advertisements. It's one of the few mechanic shops that I just know that name from the advertisement. So I know you guys are doing good. Are you guys doing good in business? Is business good?
Business been pretty slow, Yana. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Mhm.
It was at first, but then it kind of slacked up. It done slowed down a lot.
So, do you think that what has transpired with your husband here is a result as of the business becoming slow and him having to handle things for the business and the kids and the family? Or is, is it something else?
No, I feel like he been trying to provide because he really doesn't want me to have to do everything
Do you guys
as
have
far
children?
as no, but we recently got married, so it's been hard on him trying to make sure we straight.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
That's
Thank you,
thank you.
good.
Yana.
That's dope. We love to hear happy stories. I do understand that as a man, it is a difficult thing and a scary thing to take on a wife because you now become the provider, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
DA, what can we do for this young man? This is his first offense, and I approve an act of grace.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He
I'm
has
okay with the act of
businesses.
grace. Um, while I don't want to see you in jail for 999 months, bro. I don't. People got
No, I
got shit
appreciate
to
that.
take
I
care of.
appreciate it.
But at the same time, I will argue that there is no earthly reason for you to be carrying that many drugs around. There's
No, it's
legal
not.
things
It's
you
not.
can try out. So there does have to be some punishment for that. Um, I'm good with 50 months and
Mm.
no community service or anything after. But I'm not gonna lie, with that amount of drugs that hurts our community, I'm gonna have to keep fines at 1.5.
Are you
Extra
willing to
fines,
take
no
a
months.
responsibility? I mean, if we're talking about 50 months versus 999 months, I
Exactly.
think that your attorney
What is
damn near
50?
got you off with
What's that?
zero.
What is
50
that?
months?
That's nothing compared to the
That
9. So
that's 50
we
After
Yeah.
accept
misdemeanors,
that.
after
sir.
We accept
I mean
that.
y'all do know that I sat in there since 9:30 yesterday, right? So what's that going on?
That
That runs
that doesn't
concurrent?
have anything to do with
That
it.
doesn't run
Yeah, that's a
concurrent?
kingpin because it's
No.
a
And no,
kingpin
sir.
charge. Yeah.
As per our president, because I understand where this is going, you're about to start arguing with us. This is per the president of these here United Peaches. You were caught on kingpin charges. You are to be held until arraignment. That whole time does not count as penalization time. Has nothing to do with your jail time.
That is
So
crazy. All
that's
right,
nothing
come on,
that
man.
we
Come
can.
on,
There's
come on.
nothing we can do about that here. So, do you accept the 50 months? Because otherwise, it's not. It's 1,000 months, and you still none of that stuff is considered. We're trying to, you know, on the strength of your attorney and the kind-heartedness of the DA. He done pulled over. He damn near knocked. How much you took off of this? 50 months?
Be just
A lot. A
That's
lot.
what
949
900
months
months he
$949.
was
took off your
cut.
sentence. That's like
900
nothing.
months.
You can.
Getting a slap on the wrist right now.
I sound like nothing, but come on. At this point, we just wasted each other time. Come on, man.
I don't know what to. I'm
Yep.
So
Yeah, I don't know what to say.
flabbergasted.
I
so
think
we
you need
so
to
we
not
really
say
I
do
anything
think you need to
else.
talk to your wife because I don't think you're understanding what we're
I
saying.
said okay. What did y'all want me to say? I said okay. Thank
I
you.
think it's
I'm
the
ready to do the
attitude.
time.
That's.
Come
I
on.
think it's okay. All
I
right.
mean,
You
I
know what,
think.
No,
Blanco?
it's all good. Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, I
Okay,
appreciate it,
DA.
man. Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Can you
Okay,
make
let me
sure
get your
you?
information so I can build.
you could
Yes.
bill
Yeah,
Can
me.
you?
just bill her. All the money will be paid, man. Fines will be paid soon as y'all turn y'all backs, man. That's cool.
Can you get your phone out, please, so I'm anything.
Take her.
Yes.
Take hers. Take hers. You don't need my number.
Excuse me? I
I
just
said
got
you
you a
could take
damn
hers. I
bill.
said I appreciate it. You can take hers. She gonna pay you. Thank you.
Counselor
This is
Blanco,
APD.
Fuck.
Counselor Blanco, if I'm not mistaken, there are jobs within the prison that do subtract from a defendant's time as they work the jobs. So provided that your client
Send him for
work
50
while
months whenever
inside of
he's
the
done.
prison, he may not even end up
Sorry,
serving
what was
the
that?
entire
I
50
said, can you
months.
will you just send him for 50 months?
Thank you,
APD
Miss
can get
Lady.
their money whenever since they're not here.
All right, yeah, that'll work.
Okay, so whose arrest was this? Was this APD or GSP?
It was APD. I just told them go ahead and send them, and then APD can get their
Yeah,
money on the back end.
okay. That's fine. That's a lot of money not to show up for.
And Counselor
Yeah.
Blanco, your
Yes.
client can also be eligible for expungement in 7 days to,
Give it to
expunge his
me,
record
Happy.
whenever he is ready. If it
They'll
is
invoice him. The APD has to invoice him.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's a different division.
whew,
Blanco, did he settle your was your attorney fee
excuse
settled?
me.
Yes, Your Honor.
Excellent. All right, so let it be written, so let it be done. You're sentenced to 50 months in prison with fees of 1.3, I believe it was, to the APD.
1.5.
Trooper, 1.5 million to APD. And oh, you have to bill him 50,000 for DOJ, please, because we never
Bill it
got to
to
do
me. I
his
got it.
arraignment fees. So just please bill him his 50K for DOJ.
Jesus Christ.
Y'all can go ahead and take him on. Pack him up.
Y'all ain't gotta be rough on my husband now.
I apologize.
Hmm.
That's 50 months, correct?
Yes,
Oh,
50 months.
Okay, can I get a door? Thank
Ma'am, thank you so much for helping us with that.
you still with me?
Who else did not have their arraignment today? What was that man's young name? I was so upset. Listen, I'm
Your
just so
Honor,
over this
if I might say
man.
something, I've been
Yes,
waiting
sir.
here for since y'all started this. I feel like my time has been played with. My lawyer has even left the court. I don't know what's going on. Y'all having arguments with each other. I have no clue what's going on. I just want my life back. I've been held up for 2 days now. I'm trying to get over with these charges.
I feel you, and I feel the same way. I've been argued with for these past 2 days, and if you've been sitting here watching, you've been seeing it. I don't know what to tell you,
Yes,
sir.
I like everything transfer over to Miss Blanco right here, and I like to try to get this done before
Okay,
the
let's
light
do
switch
it.
goes off.
State your name for the record.
Deontay Sauce.
Okay, Deontay. Now,
Hmm.
Deontay, we were to have
Yo.
your evidentiary hearing today,
Thank you.
and your
Yes.
previous attorney was supposed to have all the information for that. Let me
Yes.
check and see. Did you send him over for pay footage? Anything?
He never responded. He didn't do anything.
Oh my goodness.
God. Okay.
Your Honor.
Let me look at his original charges. Hold on.
Okay.
He's up for
Oh
murder.
Lord.
Yes,
Oh
he
Lord.
is.
Mr. Sauce, I do not want to rush this or
Yeah.
Yes.
make a decision and because it's murder. If it was something, if it was anything else,
It's I understand, Judge, but I've been held up for like
right?
so long.
What I will
You know.
allow is for you to be released on ankle monitor, and this is very much outside of the realm of what we do. But because of the level of service you have received from the state on the defense side, we are very embarrassed. This is not our
Mm,
norm. So we ask for your forgiveness in that, and let me make restitution by allowing you out on ankle monitor if you work with Ms. Blanco and we get a trial date that works with your schedule as well as the DA's, so that we can make sure that this is handled in the way that uh, where everyone is happy, including our presidents. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
yeah. Yeah. Third day in a row. Yep.
I understand the frustration. All right.
Could you please make a ticket for me?
Yeah.
I
Sorry,
haven't
it went
added.
over.
I don't think I'm in it.
Okay, I'll add you to his ticket. It's
Okay.
probably in the firm, but I'll add you to it as well
Let me get
as
your
the.
information now. You have your phone on you? Sorry about this.
All right. Now we know that we do have to send our apologies for our other attorney, Troublefield. He is going through some things right now. You know, he might have been a little inebriated tonight, but that's okay. It happens to the best of us. But we will do our best to make sure that you get to defend yourself in the proper way. Okay, sir? Mr. Sauce?
Thank you, Your Honor.
I hear you. I hear you.
All right. You're free to go, Mr. Sauce. Your attorney will be with you.
Okay.
All right. Court is adjourned for the rest of the evening.
Your Honor, my apologies. There's one more defendant.
There is?
Oh
Who?
my God.
This
Tonight.
person in the yellow green shorts.
Where did he come from? He damn sure wasn't here at 10 o'clock. I know you. Where are your clothes? What happened to you?
Where is your shirt
Oh
at?
my God.
Yeah,
What is
I'm also take up for him. Me and him came here together. We both had our time wasted.
See? Come on, man.
Mr. Sauce, calm down. Don't get lost.
Okay, sir. What's your name for the record?
Neff Banks.
Okay. Yeah, I got him.
Neff. Fleeing and eluding, criminal possession of a weapon, and first-degree murder.
Your
Okay,
Honor.
you are definitely waiting until tomorrow because this is your arraignment.
Yeah.
Okay. To make you know better.
Yes, I have him for tomorrow. Your Honor.
Okay. A GSP, please take him. He has to be held into this one has to be held into arraignment. Please take him back to the
So it
cell.
wasn't all
And
for
please
nothing.
make sure that he is here. You will be number 1 tomorrow, sir. I promise you. Neff Banks,
You
number
could-
1. We're assigning
wanna
you
just
to
walk?
Blanco. Please make sure you open a ticket, Neff, so that Blanco can defend you properly and give her all the
Stay right
information
here.
and
Come here.
evidence that she needs for you, okay?
Did he hear you?
I hope so. Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
JB said it's one more person. I said, I know you lying.
Okay, thank you.
Definitely murder is crazy.
Murder. I saw murder. That's all I saw was
Look, is
murder.
court over with? Cause
Yes.
Yeah.
It was a rough night.
This was
I'm
hard.
done. I don't
Yeah.
understand why what was happening lately. Like I don't.
I'm done.
This
I'm
is not-
exhausted at this point.
It's not normal. This is not. I don't know.
I can't believe the dude
It's
with
re-
the
it's
could have got the
retrograde.
9s had an attitude. Like,
That
is you cool?
part.
Like, oh, I was ready to walk away. I'm like, hey.
Right. I
It's
think Troublefield is
retrograde.
going through something, and it throws when any one of our team members is off, it throws the entire flow of how we operate as a well-oiled machine off. And it's unfortunate, but it speaks to how unified we all are and what
Where
we
the
do.
hell has Hefner been? Like, we are shrinking.
I know. It's time to start recruiting. I gotta take a page from Strap's book. Strap be recruiting like a mug. Strap, you got
Yes,
any
ma'am.
people over there that might want to, moonlight on this side?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 actually.
Can you send them to me tomorrow? Can you bring them, and I can have a conversation with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we
I can
definitely
do
need
that.
support. I'd rather it come from
They all
a
have,
known source.
and Dream World experience, so that makes it even better,
Please send them.
Now, I'm not
tonight.
gonna go ahead and put my name on them, but
Yeah.
you guys do what you got
Hey,
to do
baby.
for the interview process
You
and all that
know,
good stuff.
Please do. Can you connect me with them
hit my
tonight?
ace.
Yeah, I can send out a notification because I'll be honest with you, I've done so much recruiting, I don't really know everybody yet. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get them to ping me, and then I'll send them over to you.
Okay. I need your help with this recruitment process. Will y'all get a room?
Oh, I thought court was over.
It is dark in here.
It is. It
Get did put
really
his own
dark.
finger in her booty
Come
in
here,
front of our
Blackwood.
face.
What?
He
Come here,
did.
Blackwood.
Look, look, look,
Oh,
look.
jeez.
They
That's my
nasty.
baby.
Oh my
That's my
God. That's why
baby.
she's
That's my
And we
stumbling
brother.
married.
now.
That's my
That's
We
brother.
Poppy
married.
right
Now
there.
get it. Get it. All right. Good night,
Mhm.
guys. Good
Good
night.
night.
Yeah,